4 windshields.
How you fit all this in here? This is crazy.
By miracle.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
So, could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Hey, my name is Leon from Lee's Customs. This is a 2020 Honda Accord. I have 812-inch American-based Signature Series on 4 American-based 11Ds.
You fit 8 in here?
Yeah.
That's crazy. How many cubes did you get out of this vehicle? Wow.
The whole entire external of the box is about 38. Internals, I got about 28.
Wow.
So for the sealed, it's about close to 10 cubes sealed.
Okay.
18 cubes ported. After sub and port displacement and all the bracing, etc.
Yeah. Very nice. Man, how thick is this? This like baffle, because I'm crazy. The amount of pressure you have here.
The baffle is about 3 inches thick.
Okay.
So the glass itself is about 1.5 inches in salt.
Okay. Wow. Impressive. Any SPL test on it?
Not as yet. We just finished building it not too long ago.
Okay. And this was like fabricated into the vehicle?
Yes.
How many hours do you think you got if you had to estimate?
60 hours,
60?
80 hours.
Wow, that's not bad, but still pretty good, man.
I didn't do it all at one time. I did it on my free time. You know?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Any clamped power RMS on it just to see how much power you throw into it?
We did once. We did about 32,000, and but that was at like a quarter of it.
Wow, so that's crazy. Is the back open? I'm gonna look at it too.
Of course, yes.
Okay, awesome. Hey, what's up, man? Wow.
So back here we have 4 11D Godfather American bass amps on the bass. We got a bunch of Marts MP line for the mids and highs. We got a couple power wrestles, audio pipes, and Stetson floating around for the horns and window pods, etc. All the other stuff.
Yes, sir.
And in this car we have 2 288s, one underneath here and one over there.
Oh, okay. And you're able to tweak everything here. Everything's wired
correct.
safely, so you can just mess with your settings.
If I need to mess with something, I can mess with it right then and there on the spot. You know?
Got it.
So it's easy accessible. Everything.
Yes, sir. And you have it turned down a little bit?
Yes.
Okay. Any windshield issues?
So far we went through about 4 windshields, but we're trying our best to keep this one intact for at least till tomorrow.
All right. Everything good?
Yeah, everything's good.
There's a lot in here.
Yeah, a little something.
Wow. How you fit all this in here? This is crazy.
By miracle.
Nice. Wow. Well, thanks for showing me, man. What's your name again?
Leon from Lee's Customs.
All right, Leon from Leon Customs. Lee's Customs. Nice. Wow, nice to meet you. Thanks for watching. What's up, man? Great. I was checking it out. Oh, yeah. Everything good?
Yeah, everything's good.
There's a lot in here.
Yeah, a little something.
Wow. How you fit all this in here? This is crazy.
By miracle.
Nice.
Customs, Lease Customs. Nice. You have a good day, man.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo.